Make sure your power and LP is off on your camper and remove your thermostat cover. This one's going to have rivets to drill out here and here from the back. So drill here and here. Start with the rear rivet, drill the head off of it. Now this next step is important. Grab the thermostat base and hold it away from the rivet to drill your next one, so your drill bit doesn't grab and spin the base and spin the wires. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two switch wires. Get your new thermostat available at our web store, ColemanPopUpParts.com. Your kit will come with your new thermostat, batteries, hollow wall anchors, screws, and instructions. This little button will open it up. I used a drill bit because I have huge hands. And install your batteries. Now your new thermostat is probably going to come programmed to Celsius. To change it to Fahrenheit, use this button, press and hold it till it flashes P01. Roll it to 5, press the button, change it to F, press the button, roll it to escape, and press the button. Alright, we're going to reinstall with rivets, expansion type. So put your rivets in the base. It's important that your power wire, your switch wires, go through this bottom hole. Get the mounting lugs ready for your new wires. Install the black to the bottom lug. And the orange to the top. Hook your power back up, either battery or plug your camper in, and turn your LP on. Light a burner on the stove, let it run for 15 to 30 seconds to prime the LP system. If your furnace has an on-off switch, turn your furnace on. Roll the wheel to your desired temperature. It'll flash 5 times and you should hear a click. To turn your furnace off, lower the temperature. It'll flash 5 times and you'll hear another click. And it's that easy. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I will see you at the campground.